Hey everybody, it's time to drink tequila
and eat tacos.
Hi, I'm Ricky.
And I'm Barbara.
Together we're RV Underway. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and the travels and adventures that go along with it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell to be notified when new content is available. Leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and also share our videos. Today we are at the 10th annual Tequila and Tacos Festival here at Baytowne in Sandestin, Florida. We had to get in line to cross the bridge. $4 to cross the bridge.
Get in line to get in the shuttle.
So we got on the shuttle, and then we headed off over here, and now we got our tequila, and we're gonna start hitting those tacos and tequila pretty hard. We're not gonna talk a whole lot, we're just gonna take you along.
I'm having a blast. This is a lot of fun.
A lot of fun, and we had a lot of fun last night too.
Oh yeah.
At the 10th annual Tequilas and Taco Festival kickoff party at Baytowne Marina here in Sandestin. And guess who we saw?
Mishka.
Mishka.
Love it.
Y'all may not know who Mishka is, and you'll either love his music or not. Check him out though, M-I-S-H-K-A, Mishka. He's out of Oahu, and he's kind of a reggae artist.
Reggae, Bahamas.
Yeah, All that good vibe music.
Good vibe.
Anyway, we saw Mishka last night and had a blast, met some new friends, and we've been having a good time at the Tequilas and Taco Festival, 10th annual. Make sure you make the 11th annual.
Yeah.
Well, that's about it from Tequila and Tacos here in Sandestin, Florida at Baytowne Wharf, the 10th annual. And it's been a good one. Miss Barbara is a veteran of these, and she can tell you this has been a good one.
It's been a good one.
We have had a blast, and we're glad you could come along and enjoy a little bit of it. My last shot of tequila right here, and then we're going to sign off. If you like the RV lifestyle and enjoy the adventure that comes along with it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. And until we see you again, fair winds and following seas. I could not take 6 more hours of that. 5.5 maybe, but not 6 more hours of that.